So guys, if you get this three-phase diagram, then you will be understand all these terms. First is VA, voids, volume of air, volume of water and volume of solids. Then VV is volume of voids, and it is together volume of air plus volume of water. That is volume of voids equal to volume of air plus volume of water. Okay, then first is void ratio. Void ratio is denoted by small e, and the formula is E equal to volume of voids, that is VV, upon volume of solids, that is Vs. Okay, and void ratio is always greater than 0 because it is not possible that any void ratio is 0 or less than 0. Okay, then second is porosity. Porosity is denoted by small n, and the formula is n equal to volume of voids upon total volume, that is V, and it is calculated in percentage, that's why into 100. Okay, then I will write here what is VV, volume of voids, then VA, volume of air, VW, volume of water, Vs, volume of solids, and V, that is total volume of soil sample. Okay, then third is water content, or it is also called as moisture content, and it is denoted by W, small w. So formula is W equal to W means weight of water upon weight of solids, Ws. Okay, so I will explain it, and it is calculated in percentage, that's why into 100. Ww means weight of water and Ws means weight of solids. Okay, so I will give you one example how to calculate this water content. So here is the soil sample, and here Ww means weight of water is given as 100 grams, and weight of solid is given as 700 grams. So how we will calculate water content from this? W equal to 100 upon 700 into 100, that is 14.28%. Okay, water content is calculated in percentage. So fourth is degree of saturation, that is it is denoted by S. Saturation denoted by S. Okay, so here formula for degree of saturation is S equal to VW means volume of water upon volume of voids into 100, VW upon VV into 100. And there is a one thing that is note, is degree of saturation means S is equal to 0% for dry soil sample. Okay, because there is no water available in dry soil, that's why degree of saturation is 0%, and degree of saturation is 100% for fully saturated soil, because there is a full water availability in the fully saturated soil, that's why it is 100% for fully saturated soil.